Hello lovelies, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're new here, welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel I post DIY items that you can make from the comfort of your homes, and you can put it up for sale and you make money doing this. So welcome. So in today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make a scrunchie using an elastic band. So that's what we're learning today. So the materials needed, as usual, is your scissors, your tape rule, your chalk, your ruler, your fabric, whatever fabric of your choice, and elastic. So I already have my fabric here cut out. I'm using a satin fabric. I cut out a length of 40 inches. It is on fold, that's why it's like this. So I cut out a length of 40 inches and a depth of 6 inches. So 40 by 6 inches. So this is the main fabric. So I'm going to set this aside, and then I have 2 extra pieces. They both measure the same length, 14.5 inches in length by 3 inches in breadth. 14.5 by 3 inches. So you're going to cut 2 pieces. One is going to serve as the inner for the main fabric, and the other is going to serve as casing for the elastic. So this is my elastic. This measures 6 inches. 6 inches in length. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do now is to put this on fold this way. Take it to the machine and sew all the way down, and then turn it to the right side. So I'm going to do that. After doing that, I'm going to turn the smaller piece too, unfold, sew all the way down, fold all the way down. So I'm going to turn these 3 pieces and we'll move on from there. Okay, so this is ready. I've sewn it and I've turned it to the right side. Same with this other piece. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take my elastic and I'm going to put it into this. Remember I told you one is going to serve as the elastic case. So this is it. So I'm going to sew on this part to hold it down. I'm going to, the elastic piece is ready. I'm going to put it aside. The next thing we're going to do is to insert this small piece into this main piece. You're inserting it just like you inserted the one for the elastic casing, like you inserted the elastic into the elastic casing. That's what we are doing to this now. When you're pulling this small piece in, do not let it go down, because you're going to sew this place to hold it. So hold on firmly while you try to bring the remaining part out. That's the way we are going to form the scrunch. So it's out. So this is it. So I'm going to sew here closed and sew here closed. So we'll have something like this. Well, let me sew this part closed. Sew this part closed and this part closed. So the next thing we're going to do, just adjust this, is to get this is the elastic part. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on the midpoint, fold this one this way, and fold this the other way. I'm going to go over it again. This is the elastic piece. I'm placing it this way. I'm going to fold this way, and I'm going to fold this way. Then I'm going to sew on top of it. I'm going to repeat this on this other side. Place it on the center. Use one end to close and bring the other end this way, and then out. So I'm going to do that now. Scrunchie is getting ready. Sew this part closed and this part closed. So it is as easy as that. I'm just going to turn this now to the right side. This is super easy to make. So scrunchie is ready. So this is it. This is it. So lovelies, you can make this yourself as usual. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.